Terra Monster here, and I like to make things. Today I'm going to show you how I print 4 different designs at the same time. As long as they're the same color, I can do it pretty easily. And nowadays, I can't afford to keep a bunch of pre-printed inventory in stock. And since some of my shirts have 2 different designs on the same color shirt, I wait until I get some orders and then I just print them all to go. So I have the blanks already here, but then when the orders come in, that's when I print them. So it depends on what design people order. So why don't you join me today in my workshop and see how I do 4 different prints at once. You'll have to excuse the fact that I don't have any makeup on today. I'm pretty rushed to get these orders out before the post office closes, so I just didn't have time. Anyway, I'm super excited to show you how I do these 4 prints at the same time. So the very first step is to put the shirts down. So here is my first shirt. I've already lined up the screens and I drew my little marks. I have different sets of marks for the 2 different shirts I'm going to be printing on this press. Fix this a little so you can see better. That's a little bit better. Okay, so the first one is my alien cats print. Black ink, and I flooded the screen. And there they are, alien cats. I'm gonna go put them in the dryer. And the next shirt is my coffee otter shirt. So I'll put this one on the press. This one's using the green lines. And then I bring over my otter screen. And then I just transfer the ink from the other screen. Scoop it up like so and just bring it right on over. Flood the screen really good. And that one I'm going to do 2 passes. Just to make sure we got that little otter. And there he is. Put him in the dryer. And now I'm going to have you follow me over to my other press where I have my 2 other designs set up. There we go. I got this new gimbal that's supposed to track my face, but it only sort of works. I'm actually going to turn face tracking off and reposition it because I want you to be able to see the screen. Ah, there we go. Aha. So over here, I have the crow set up. I've already got my shirt on there. And guess what I forgot? I left the squeegee over on the other press. So once again, I scoop up all the ink and just bring it over to this press. Flood the screen. And now we have a crow print. Go put him in the dryer. And now it's time for the final print. These are my brand new design. It's a bee design. I'll show you once I print it. sure everything is lined up. Adjust the off contact. And bring that same squeegee over from the crow to the bees. Flood from both sides there. And there we have my brand new bee print on these really cute tank tops. I really love the design on how they do the back of these tank tops. It's just really cute. And they have a nice A-line fit as well, which most people prefer, including me. And then now that I have all 4 designs printed, I'm going to run them to the post office real quick. It's only about 10 minutes away, and then I can come back and just clean out all 4 screens at the same time. So I have found that this is definitely the most efficient way to print 4 different designs for 4 different orders, assuming they're all the same color. Thanks for joining me today, and if you enjoyed this screen printing tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel where you can get a new video by me every day. See you soon!